Hey on mate, you doing good today?
I'm so fresh, hangover free, it's a goddamn miracle.
Good to hear. I've just been killing my workouts recently, but mainly the CrossFit ones.
Even if it's CrossFit, I'm not gonna judge you, okay?
And I heard that you're launching a new company. Tell me more.
It's a physical product and it's not like anything that I've ever done before.
Yeah, I've seen that it's protein pancakes. What are your thoughts on making one giant pancake with the entire mix?
It's a bad gamble, you know? You can do it, but you know, it might not pay off and it might fail on you.
Yeah, I want to showcase Fuelcakes as best possible and make one epic pancake stack.
But don't worry about that at all, just put your own unique spin on it and have fun making it.
What's good guys, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm expecting something really exciting to be delivered at the door any minute now. Right, let's go see what it is. Oh Rob, top of the morning to you. I put one belt on one shoulder, the other belt on the other shoulder. You need a fucking army to take these pancakes off on me. I run Ireland. Mate, you absolute legend. Right, I'm gonna go make some pancakes. Let's go. Right, so you know he's getting serious in the kitchen when the bandana goes on. Bet he's cookery school repping. Right, so I thought I would do a video making some protein pancakes so that I can give some honest feedback and an honest review on what they're like. Just film mum is how good his protein pancakes looked. Really fluffy, really nice. Low calorie protein pancakes, so yeah, let's give them a go. For people thinking that there's only a few ingredients or it's just literally protein powder and flour, there are about 20 different ingredients, one of which is Himalayan pink salt, so the pump's gonna be serious. So we're gonna double up on the portion size. Normally you would do 3 to 4 scoops to make around 3 to 4 pancakes. We're going to be doing 6 scoops of the Fuelcakes. So first of all, we're going to add this into a mixing bowl.
Another one.
We added 6 scoops of the mix. Then we've got 2 eggs, which we're going to put into the milk, which just comes straight from my mother's teat. No, it's almond milk for the to please all the vegans. So we're gonna add the 2 eggs,
which won't please the vegans.
Which won't please the vegans. Into the milk. I'm gonna whisk this first. Right, so I've chosen to go for eggs and milk to make the fluffiest and nicest pancakes possible. If you obviously want to reduce your calories on these, you can eliminate the milk, eliminate the eggs, and just add water to keep it as low calorie as you want. So we're gonna add this to the 6 scoops. I didn't need to train arms this morning because I knew I'd be doing this, and it's probably the biggest arm pump I've had in a while. Right, so the mixture, eggs and milk are all whisked into the bowl. Little pro tip for pancakes, if you pour this back into a measuring jug, it makes it much easier to pour these back into the pan to get the perfect circular pancakes. Next one in. You can't have a pancake stack without ice cream being dolloped on the top. And of course, we're using Oppo, low calorie, shreds friendly ice cream. Buttermilk pancakes, stack of 6. So I'm going to put the macros for 6 pancakes up on the screen here. Yeah, they taste unreal. Like, like really nice restaurant standard pancakes. The thing we've got here is a restaurant standard protein pancake. If you make them at home with like basically milk, protein powder and an egg, you don't get the same fluffiness, the same genuine pancake feel that you get with these. These are like a restaurant standard protein pancake. But you can make them at home. So I highly recommend Fuelcakes. I think they're easy and convenient to make and they taste phenomenal. So very well done, Rob Lipsett. If you want to get some, obviously head over to fuelcakes.com. Going to get sponsored by Fuelcakes. Now that's the goal. But no, highly recommend them. Wanted to do a product review as I got my hands on them pretty quickly. I thought it'd be useful for you guys. If you're unsure whether to get them or not, I think they taste really good and really simple and easy to make. So I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. If you're new and you've made it this far through the entire video, then you should definitely go and subscribe. Anyway, you probably don't want to watch me eat the entire stack of pancakes. I'm going to enjoy them. So I'm going to wrap up the video here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop it a like. And if you want some subs, head over to stealth-nutrition.com and I'll see you in the next one.
I can't believe I put this stuff on the internet. I love it. Much love to all the CrossFitters out there.